Now I am going to show you how to delete the data. In order to delete any particular data, I am just going to copy this route, and here I am going to call to create a new route, that is student delete, and here delete is the method. In the controller I am going to create public, then function, then delete this function. And here the delete is very easy, just use the db delete this function, and here like the normal SQL query you just use the delete from students. Okay, so delete from students, then I will use the where id equal to what, which students I will remove, that I will have to tell here. I will have to tell here, for example id number 3 I will remove. That means you see that total 4 students are here, so number 3 I am going to remove, so here I just put the number 3. Now here I am going here and change the route, that is student delete, enter that student, here the table name will be plural from students. Okay, so now if I enter, you see that it should be deleted. I am going to check it in my table, just refresh, you see that 1 2 and 4 are now, and the number 3 has been deleted. So in this way you can easily delete any data from the database table.